Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for spending a little bit of your time with me. Today I have, for the very first time, an IPSY bag unboxing, I guess you can call it. So if you're not familiar with IPSY, IPSY is a monthly subscription for beauty products, including hair products, skincare, nails, face, etc. So unlike BoxyCharm subscription, these are sample sizes. So as I mentioned, it is a monthly subscription. However, the reason why I got it, because I don't necessarily want a monthly subscription, because first of all, here in Canada, it's a lot more than the $10 that our American friends pay, because we have to pay the exchange rate, plus we have to pay duties and shipping, so no thank you. But the reason I got this is on one of my Facebook groups, there were actually coupon codes to receive your first monthly IPSY bag for absolutely free. And if you like it, you continue your membership, and if you don't, you can cancel at any time. So this is the July bag. I thought I'd share with you what it is that I received for absolutely free, and maybe IPSY is something that interests you. So if you want to see what's in this bag, this beautiful foil pink bag, please keep on watching. So I have my handy dandy scissors right over here, and on the front there is the mailing label, which I will not show you, but let me just make sure I don't cut anything that is of importance. So we're going to go ahead and open this live together. Again, this is my very first one, will probably be my last one, unless for whatever reason this knocks my socks off. But while I'm opening this up, comment down below, do you subscribe to IPSY? Have you ever subscribed to IPSY? Better yet, have you subscribed to BoxyCharm? I heard that one is really good, but again, here in Canada, it's super duper expensive. So here we go. So part of their monthly subscription is you receive a little cosmetic bag. Every month it's a new one. This one's actually really pretty. It's like a holographic, a blue, and you can see there, it changes colors, and you can see the tag right there says IPSY. Let's see if there's anything else. The bag is empty. So all the items are in here. So let's open it up. So let me pull out the card first. So it is the July 2018 IPSY bag. And here is some information in case you are wondering. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So the first thing I take out is, okay, I do like Smashbox, so I got a Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer, and it is in the color, oops, upside down. It's in the color light medium, perfect, because I do like my under eyes to be a little bit brighter. So it comes with this doe foot applicator. So this looks like, I don't know, but it looks like it's a full size. So I'm happy about that. Okay, so far so good. Okay, moving on. The next item we have here is by the Pure Heals brand. It's a pore clear black charcoal peel off mask. Okay, and this is 15 ml. And by the way, when you do first sign up for IPSY, there is a questionnaire that you complete, and that will determine what kind of product. So it is supposedly personalized for you. So it is and you can see it's still sealed, so we're not gonna open that now, but that's nice. I'm really liking the Smashbox. I mean, I haven't tried it, but I really do like the Smashbox line. Next, okay, this is cool. We have a makeup brush, an eyeshadow makeup brush by the brand, oh, it's focused, IPSY, is it IPSY? Beauty. Oh, it's quite soft. So that's nice for eyeshadow. So there's 3 items so far. Next, in this little bubble wrap here, we have, just open that up. We have, it's called Skinny Latte Eyeshadow by the brand #always City Chic. You can see that there. And it's actually by City Colors. That's the color there. Let's open it up. And just see if we can do a little swatch. Ooh, very soft. Ooh, it's quite pretty. Very metallic-y, almost foil-like. I can even see this being used as a highlighter. So let's just do a swatch. Okay, nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so that's cool. So far, you know what? I'm not disappointed. I've heard a lot of reviews where people are disappointed with IPSY. I'm not so disappointed. And there should be one more item. Okay, we have, it's a 10. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In conditioner, I would imagine. And it is 50 ml. Let me see how it smells like. And I'm pumping and nothing's coming out. Look guys, nothing is coming out. Okay. It almost I just opened it up like this. It smells like Dove shampoo or conditioner, but maybe if I don't know, I'll play around with it, but so far it's not coming out. So that's what I got. So all in all, it's now empty. All in all, it was a total of 5 products plus the little makeup bag. So I'm quite excited actually to try these. This is actually really, really nice. You can see the glow. And mind you, I'm not in natural light, but look at that. So pretty. So I'm actually quite excited to try all of these. So again, that is what I received in my IPSY bag. And it was absolutely free. If I find that code or if I see any other offers, I will make sure to get on here and let you guys know so you too can get one. Not sure if this was a one-time thing or whether it's something they do periodically, but super happy that I was able to get my hands on one. At least it gives me an opportunity to try it, to see if I like it, and you just never know. So again, thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment down below. Let me know if you tried it, what your thoughts were. Do you recommend it? Do you not recommend it? I'd love to know. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. And like always, I'll talk to you on my next video. Hopefully sooner than later. You know the drill. Talk to you very soon. Bye for now.